Oh, look at that, guys. This is hilarious. Look at the smiley kids. All right, so we got a 98-inch TV. It was kind of an idea that we had late at night saying, hey, wouldn't it be cool to have a 98-inch TV inside the pool room? Actually, it was going to be a bigger TV because a bigger TV would be even better, but 98-inch TV was pretty much the biggest you can get without spending like $20,000. Anyway, the big deal was we wanted to be able to hang this TV and then when not in use, put a cover on it. So we have all of that figured out. And in this video, I'm going to show you how we pretty much connected this TV using a normal traditional mount to a 2-inch frame that's made out of aluminum and hollow. So we had to figure out how to, bolt through that, what will hold it, and that's what you're gonna watch starting now. That's okay, you said just be natural. Well, that's not too shabby. So now I'm gonna basically bolt these two. That's actually a really nice saw. Still have to connect the dust collection to it, as you could see just from, 4 cuts. Would you take a look at all that dust? But, we're waiting for the dust collection unit to be installed. By we waiting, I mean me having to lift this 200 or 300 pound unit and put it on top of there. So for first cut, I think that was pretty awesome, very smooth. All right, so we're just gonna be basically gluing these two pieces together. Type on 3, some good old outdoor stuff. I'm just scrubbing around a little bit, doesn't have to be perfect. Clamp it to hold it until we get some screws and screw this thing together. All right, so we're gonna be mounting our TV with these little angle brackets. I have the link down below where you can get them if you ever run into something like this. This wall is roughly 2-inch thick. It's aluminum, so it's a hollow. Got a really thick bolt to put these on with. And we're going to put 2 going all the way through. And that's going to give us a place for our plywood to mount and then our TV hanger, and we're good to go. Well, we have a dead battery. Okay, found one that is charged. All right, now that the glue is dry, we're gonna go ahead and sand this thing and get ready to be painted. All right, so now we are going to drill real quick for our bolts, which are gonna be these. And they're the 1/2 inch, the same ones. These are what's gonna hold basically this to the actual metal frame that's over there. So those are going to be great. So we got 4 of those. I went ahead and marked them, and let's get them in there. So those will go in. All right, so that's what's going to mount to our pole. Now we can mount our frame, and then I'll go ahead and paint it when it's all in place. I think will be the easiest thing to do. It's a pretty cool frame. It stretches over. That'll be nice. All right, now to find out how successful or unsuccessful we were. Now we're gonna just start with one of these. This is pretty damn heavy. I'll find the hole. Yay. Tight fit. Ow. These work good as hammers. All right, so now we can check our level. And we are just, right on. Because you have a little bit of tweak in this bolt. There we go. Let's tighten those up.
That should hold 300 pounds. I'm 200, and that is no problem. So, all right.
All right, go ahead, give it a whirl. Turn the wheel to the right a little as you're backing out. To the right. To the right. Wheel to the right. Okay, there you go, straight. Keep coming. All right, wheel to the right. Oh, look at this. Perfect. Keep coming. Oh, look at that, guys. This is hilarious. Look at the smiley kids.
Perfect.
Well, that was easy. Okay.